So friends, if you have your account in Bank of Baroda and if you want to know how to check account statement in BOB net banking, then this is the video for you. I'm going to guide you through each and every step. But before that, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Let's start the video. Now, before going ahead, let me tell you one thing, that it doesn't matter if you're using laptop, PC or mobile phone, the process is going to be same. So open a particular browser in your device and search for BOB net banking. Once you search for it, you have to select BOB World Internet Banking option. It will take you to the next page, and over here you have to select Retail User Login. Now you have to enter user ID and password in order to complete the login process. So do that and complete it. Now once the login is complete, this is how the interface will look like. If you are doing this process on your mobile phone, then it might be a bit different, but the process is going to be same. Now once the login is complete, all you have to do is just simply go to account section and select more details over here, and then you have to go to account summary. Now once you go to account summary, over here it will show you some basic details. You just have to go down, and over here you can check out your account number, name and some basic details. Make sure to select this 3-dot option, and if you want to check out mini statement, you have that option over here, so you can select that and then you can check out all your recent transaction. If you want to download it, then you have the option to download the file or the statement. You can select whichever option you want. You have XLS, you have PDF and you have TXT. If you want to download the statement in PDF format, make sure to select PDF over here. Now this is for mini statement, but if you want a statement or if you want to check transaction for last 15 days or 1 month, then for that select 3-dot once again, and this time you have to go to general account statement. Now you can see it is showing me some recent transaction which I have done. Now if you go and select this particular option over here, if you select the drop down, you get an option of last 15 transaction, last 7 days, last 14 days or last 30 days. So you can select last 30 days and simply select go option, and then it will show you the transaction list. In my case it is less, as you all can see, but if you are doing frequent transaction using your Bank of Baroda account, then the list will be long. So you can check out the transaction, and as I said, if you want to download it, you can select PDF option over here, and if I tap on this option, you can see the file is downloaded and you can directly open the statement and you can check out some details over here. Now if you are wondering how to download statement for last year or any particular by selecting any particular date, then in that case you can select the option of search transaction, and in search transaction all you have to do is there are some options given over here, transaction for, so you can select the drop down. You can see there are some basic options over here. Now currently it is giving me an option of last 1 month and last 2 months. If you want that, you can select it, but if you want to select a specific date, then you can open this calendar, and for example, if I want to search for from May 2023 to, let's say, 2024, select a particular date. After you select the date, all you have to do is just simply select the search option. Make sure to check all the details. If you want to check out amount type, then you can select this drop down. If you want to check credited amount or debited amount, you can apply that or those filters as well. So apply the filter as per your requirement, and after that you can simply tap on search option, and if it has any statement, it will show you like this. Now you can see it is showing me multiple transaction. If you want to download it, again there is a download option at the bottom. Simply select PDF option, the file will be downloaded, and if you open it, this is how the statement will look like. So this is how simple it is to check statement using BOB net banking, and you know how to download it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.